student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing about the elements with their atomic number and symbol. Remember, this is the basics of chemistry. From 7th it is start, from 9th you know this, that it is the beginning lesson. Okay, now first member of the periodic table, or first lightest element, it is hydrogen element. Then atomic number is 1. Here I have written serial wise 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here I have written the elements whose atomic number it is. Hydrogen represented as H, atomic number 1 represented as H1. Okay, now helium He2, here we write down like this, He2, that is helium symbol, 2 atomic number, we write it like this. Lithium Li, atomic number 3, we write like this, Li3. I am not showing you atomic mass because I am thinking about that. First I will give you information about atomic number. Now beryllium Be, symbol is Be, atomic number 4, represented as Be4. Okay, Be4. Clear? Now boron B, symbol is B, atomic number 5, we write like B5. Carbon C, symbol C, atomic number 6, we write it carbon 6. And on the subscript you have to write 6. Nitrogen, symbol is N, and atomic number 7, and symbol written with atomic number N, on subscript write 7. Oxygen O, symbol is O, atomic number 8, O8. Okay, this O8 represent that oxygen, this is oxygen element, and atomic number is 8. This represent this element is fluorine, and atomic number is 9. And then neon 10, this is Ne, the symbol is Ne, and neon 10. So helium 2 and neon 10, they are noble gases. What are they? Noble gases, highly unreactive. Okay, that is why I am saying noble gases. They will not fight with anyone, means they will not try to combine with any chemical reaction. Okay, that is helium and neon. Now I have given a slogan, remember this: high, you can say high heli or high hello. That is hydrogen and helium, first member, second member. And then Lithi babe, buck no funny. I am repeating it, Lithi babe, babe here, then buck no, and no funny. Means all the 10 elements are coming over here. Hydrogen, high hello, hydrogen and helium. Lithium Li, Be, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine.